Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the broken screen phone still powers on and accepts touch or is already unlocked. This matters because you need authorization to access data. Once done, plug a reliable USB cable into a known USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 port on your PC. Make sure ADB and the proper MTP/USB drivers are installed on the computer. These let your PC see the phone. If you previously enabled USB debugging, you'll skip extra steps, so check that first and prepare to authorize the connection. Now you perform the core actions, either mirror the screen or extract files. If ADB is available, run a DB devices to confirm connection and use a DB pull to copy important folders. This is faster and preserves file structure. Alternatively, launch SCRCPY to mirror and control the phone from the PC, which helps when the touch is unusable. If MTP appears in File Explorer, drag and drop media directly. If the phone is locked, connect an OTG adapter and USB mouse to unlock and enable settings. Finish by verifying the files you copied open correctly on the PC, then safely eject the device before unplugging to avoid corruption. If ADB or mirroring fails, make sure the phone authorized the PC. Use an OTG mouse to tap authorize if needed. Also try different USB ports or a high-quality cable, because many failures trace to hardware. If drivers are the problem, reinstall the phone's USB/MTP drivers and restart your computer. This usually resolves recognition issues and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.